In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the SSL issues on Wix, often causing the HTTPS padlock to not display correctly. SSL, or Secure Sockets Layer, is crucial for ensuring that your website handles data securely, establishing trust with your visitors. If you've recently made changes to your Wix website and are noticing that the secure connection padlock is not showing up as expected, it can often be resolved with a few simple steps. Let's dive in and troubleshoot this issue together. First, I want you to open up your web browser. We'll start by accessing your browser settings. Now, depending on the browser you're using, you might find the settings option in slightly different locations. Typically, for browsers like Chrome or Firefox, you can click on the menu icon at the top right corner of your window. This icon usually looks like 3 dots or 3 lines. From here, a drop-down menu will appear with a settings option listed. Click on that to open your browser settings. Once you're in the settings menu, we need to locate the section that allows us to manage your browsing data. This is usually under a tab labeled something like privacy and security. When you click on this option, you should see various settings related to your browsing history, cache, and cookies. What we're looking for here is the ability to clear this data. You'll find an option labeled clear browsing data or something similar. When you click on it, a new window or section will pop up, giving you options on what data you want to clear. Now this part is crucial. You'll see checkboxes for clearing your browsing history, cookies, cached images, and files, among other data. Make sure to select all relevant boxes for cache and cookies, as these are the usual culprits behind SSL issues. Clearing this data essentially resets how your browser interacts with websites and can resolve conflicting data that might be preventing the SSL certificate from displaying correctly on Wix. With your selections made, go ahead and confirm by clicking the Clear Data button. Depending on how much data you have, this might take a few moments. Once it's done, try accessing your Wix website again, open a new tab and type in your site address. Check to see if the HTTPS padlock is now showing up correctly, indicating a secure connection. This step should hopefully fix the SSL issue you're encountering. If you continue experiencing difficulties, it might be worthwhile to check your Wix settings to ensure the SSL certificate is properly enabled, or reach out to Wix support for further assistance. But in most cases, clearing your cache and cookies will do the trick. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.